Hi, everybody. So, what I'm doing today, I kind of think of as co teaching with myself, right? There's a mini lesson going on in one part of the room where the actual physical me is leading that. And then here's another lesson that I'm leading through a video that's with another group of folks. We can use technology to create really effective and engaging centers for groups of our students. And what's nice is it takes a whole lot less planning than it would if we're not using some things that we're already getting from resources that we know and love that are digital. For instance, right now we're looking at IXL. I use this a lot with my kids, a lot of really specific things that I can send my students in to go do. As a math teacher, I also love using Zurn. In Zurn, I can have a group of kids going in and getting a mini lesson and then guided practice and independent practice with, regrouping, adding with big number addition, right? At the same time, the other half of the class is doing the same topic, but with me physically. So I'm going over regrouping with big number addition. Then by the time both groups have been in both of those centers, they've heard that same topic, but they've heard it introduced by two different people or two different sources. And also, when they did it with me, they were in a much smaller group, so it was way more effective. It's a really great way to deliver parallel instruction. If you're a literacy teacher, you know that we have a ton of resources available to us, Core 5, this, that, and the other thing. You may not know about Newsela. Newsela is a great website that has a lot of free educational articles for kids to read, and you can assign kids different articles to read about a variety of different topics. These are ELA text topics. There's stuff focused around, let's see, science, math, elementary, just general elementary, social studies, and you dig in, and the range of topics here are fantastic. So you can, through Google Classroom or however you assign topics, you can find things and assign them to kids to read. The point is, there's a ton of content out there. If you're not satisfied with sending kids off to work on one of those in a center, you can always turn to YouTube. There's a ton of great content out there on YouTube about a variety of things. And if all else fails, you can always do what I'm doing right now. I'm using Screencastify. I'm using the microphone and camera that are in this device that I'm recording on, and I'm just recording me speaking. And I'm also recording the screen. And I'm creating a video about content that I want because that video didn't exist, so I'm just doing it myself. This is taking me 5 minutes to record, and then it's going to be ready to share with you all. So this is one of the ways that we can use technology and use the things that we already have on hand to design really powerful and effective and engaging centers without a ton of planning that goes into it.